Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jostar. You can call me the Entertainment Anas or the Gist Lord. I had a chance to spend 2 weeks with Wodemaya at Aqua Safari, and trust me, the place is mind-blowing. First of all, let me talk about Wodemaya. Wodemaya is a good guy. He's humble. I learned a whole lot from him within that 2 weeks I spent with him. Stickers too is his camera guy. He's cool. He's humble. I like the guy. He's one of the best guys I've ever met. I like Wodemaya so much. So Wodemaya is my boss too. He's my boss. Yeah. Aqua Safari is a riverside hotel at Big Ada. Yeah, Aqua Safari is located at Big Ada on your way to Volta region. And the place is lit. They have a whole lot of animals, a whole lot of friendly animals. They have horses, different types of birds, fishes, a whole lot. They have a buffet restaurant. You can enjoy the horse riding. They have a whole lot of things at Aqua Safari. So today I'm showing you this. They have a huge pool, a nice restaurant, and a whole lot. I had a chance to be on a boat ride, and I saw a lot of things. I was so lucky to see for the first time where the river and the sea meets, where the river and the sea crashes. trust me, the place is nice. We have islands in Ghana, and I never knew where it was. I saw a whole lot of things. Being with Wodemaya is like a slit. I enjoyed myself though. Yeah, I enjoyed myself, and I would like you to visit Aqua Safari. It's a nice place. Thanks to Wodemaya, thanks to Stickers for all this work. Like, the nigga has been too good to me. Thanks to Stickers a lot for all this work, and thanks to my boss Wodemaya. You can check him out on this page. I'll mention Wodemaya's channel and Stickers Instagram handle is also in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe. My name is Jostar. Stay blessed.